Hey guys, what's up? Buddy Boome here. Welcome to Boome's channel. So this video I'm going to show you how to get signed up with Easy1Up. This is very simple, but I'm going to walk you through this anyways. You could be on a page just like this one. This is a replicated website, the page that you're going to get with Easy1Up, and here's the it's just under 7 minutes for the presentation. So what you're going to do is simply going to put start now, and whoever it is you join, you're going to make sure that their username and their name is there. Make sure you're joining the right person. And if you're joining me, you'll see my picture right there, and it'll say Buddy Boome, Grow with Buddy at gmail.com, along with my phone number 360-441-3363. My username is BNC Boomin. Okay, so what you're simply going to do is I will put an email in here. Put that in. Then you're going to put your first name in. I will put John Don Ding Dong Don Jing Ding Dong Do. Okay, and then you're going to pick what country you're in, because Easy1Up is worldwide. Remember, Easy1Up used to be just United States, but now you can join anywhere in the world. You can even grow your team. You can focus on growing anywhere in the world with Easy1Up. You're going to put a phone number. So I'll put 360-441-3363. Pick a chooser name. Choose your username. Okay, so I'm going to put grow with dough. Okay, then you're going to pick a password, and then you're going to re-enter the password, or you're going to actually put the CAPTCHA in. That's so they know that you're not a fake person, and push agree. Alright, so what you're going to want to do when you're on this page, when you pick that choose your username, when you choose that username, you want to make sure that you write that username down, and then also write the password down, because chances are you could forget it. This will be emailed to you, so you're going to want to make sure that you put the correct email address in there. This is going to be emailed to you. Your login details are going to be sent to your email. And what's going to happen after I push the Start Now button is the system is actually going to call me, and then it's going to call you at the same time and say, welcome to Easy1Up. You want to make sure that you're going to choose what plan that you want to use, and at the same time it's going to call me up and say, congratulations, you just got a new sign up with Easy1Up. You're going to want to go and welcome them, and then make sure that they choose a plan, because it's not guaranteed that they're going to choose a plan right away. So that's what you're going to want to do. Okay, so I'm going to push start now, and my phone's going to ring. I'm going to save it. Okay. See, the way I got that set up is each time somebody signs up with me, I put it on my contacts. It said, you got paid. Because that's like, see, you got paid. You got a voicemail from them. And I didn't answer it because for some reason this recorder won't allow me to, it won't record the phone voice. So you're right here. Okay, so you're going to put please choose, it says please choose a program level to join below. Okay, so you have the option to join at any level that you want. And I suggest that you go as high as you possibly can, because when you start to promote this and get this out there, and you join at $25 plus the $5, $30, and then somebody comes in and joins you at the $100 or $250, you're missing out on a sale. you know. So it might sound good to join at the $25 level. You can make $25 payments over and over again, but a lot of people don't even like the 25. I mean, the marketers, they won't even promote the $25 level because they want the $100 sales and the $250 sales, the $500 sales and the $1,000 and the $2,000 sales. You don't want to miss out on those. So you see that they have the $25 plus the $5 admin fee, 100 plus 10, 250 plus 25, 500 plus 50, 1,000 plus 100, and then the Vertex Live 2,000 plus 500. The reason that the Vertex Live admin fee is so high is because you're going to be able to go to one of the live events for joining this level. You're going to get a guaranteed ticket to go to a live event in the future. And I know with this lockdown and everything going on, this is not going to go on forever. There's going to be live events, and you're going to be so glad that you were able to go to a live event. I went to live events before, and there's so many golden nuggets and knowledge there because there's so many top earners there. You're going to be able to network with others, and it's just it's a good vibe all in one. But I don't want to talk about it too much. I get going on that. Okay, so say for instance you're going to join at the Vertex Elite. You're going to click the Vertex Elite, and it's just going to tell you your the username. You're going to make sure the username's up there, the person you're joining. And this is a $500 one-time payment. Okay, so you can come in here and go with Stripe and pay. I have Stripe under here. I integrated Stripe Pay. Stripe is a free merchant. I you can pay with Stripe. Let's see where my arrow is here. Oops. Okay, so you can pay with Stripe, or there's other payments. Okay, you can do Cash App. You just gotta, these are clickable links, or you can do Oru. Oru is One Race United. It's a different pay merchant. If you have Oru, you can pay with Oru or Venmo. I really prefer Venmo or PayPal when I have people join me, but I do have Stripe. I mean, that's if they're not going to use this pay with credit card. You can use any pay merchant that you want. If you have Cash App, you can go in here and add your information, how you want to get paid. And you can go to stripe.com and create a Stripe account and then connect your account to stripe.com. And then you'll have a clickable link right here that says pay with credit card. Otherwise, you can go in here and set the about me, and I'll show you guys that in another video how you can do that. But you can make clickable links, and as you see, I have Cash App, Oru, Venmo, PayPal, and I thought I had Bitcoin in here at one time. I'm going to have to put my Bitcoin address back in here. But those are the payment merchants that I use. You can pay with any one of those. And, you know, it's that simple. And then that's going to be peer-to-peer. When people join you, they're going to pay you when they join peer-to-peer. And then they're going to come down here and they're going to pay Easy1Up. They're going to pay them their one-time admin fee. Oh, there's my Bitcoin address right there. Or no, that's Easy1Up. Never mind. Okay, so this is where you're going to pay the one-time admin fee. So that whether you join at the $25 level or the $2,000 level, you're always going to pay the admin fee, because that's what keeps this website going, and that's what will keep the CEO, Peter Wolfing, happy. So he'll keep on adding all this wonderful content that he adds in Easy1Up. So that's how simple it is to join Easy1Up. You just go to that, you choose what plan that you're gonna come in at, and let's go back here. And one of the great things about Easy1Up is if you join at the $500 level or higher, Easy1Up throws in a course. It's called Endless Leads by Max Steingart. And I know when the course first came out, it was worth $300. I'm not sure what he sells it at now, but that's a course where you can learn how to grow your business on social media, and he walks you through on what to say and all that. So that's a bonus for coming in at the Vertex or higher. You get the Endless Free Leads course, and also the higher levels that you join at. If you came in at the Vertex Elite, you're actually going to be positioned to earn not only $500 commissions, but you're going to earn, you're positioned to earn $250 also, and $100 commissions, and $25 commissions. They actually comped those levels in for you, so you don't have to join at any specific level to be qualified to get in on Easy1Up. That's one of the great things I love about Easy1Up compared to there's some other 1Up programs where you have to join at the lower one, and then they make you join at the next one, and then the next one. Easy1Up, you can join at any level that you want. You can join at the $2,000 level, and you're going to be positioned to earn on each level below that one. And this business is yours for life. I've been a member of Easy1Up since 2016. So this is just a quick video to show you guys how to sign up for Easy1Up. It's that simple. All right, I'll see you on the next training, guys. And if you want to get started, check the link out in the description, or whoever invited you to this video, check the link out in the description or the buttons around it. All right, friends, I'll talk to you in the next video. Thanks.